First Alert Chief Meteorologist Nick Mariano. So Nick, I mean, to be able to knock that over, it's got to be some pretty strong winds, right?
Yeah, you know, and especially in that same community, we had a lot of reports of trees down as well. And some of the peak wind gusts I was seeing there were in the order about 50 to 55 miles per hour. Now, some of the higher elevations, you got up to Tuolumne County, certainly gusting higher than that. But nonetheless, these winds did do quite a bit, knocking down tree branches, tree limbs, really depending where you were, if you were under some of those heavier showers. So speaking of which, those showers and areas of rain, a lot of it moving through last night. Some of you may have been awake in the middle of the night hearing that on the windowsill, that wind-driven rain. So here's where we ended up. Last 24-hour totals, Woodland just under 3 inches of rainfall. We had a flood advisory this morning across much of the Sacramento Valley. In fact, downtown Sacramento picking up more than an inch of rainfall. Then you head to Stockton and Modesto. The amount's dropping off a lot, down about a quarter inch as you get closer toward Modesto. And those winds, yeah, this is what we had out there today, Placerville, and really along much of the foothills. We talked about that 50, 60 mile per hour range. At the higher peaks, certainly up in the Sierra, seen some stronger winds there. Mather Airport in Sacramento, 56 miles per hour. And in San Francisco, 83 miles per hour. That was the second highest wind gust ever recorded at KSFO history. And that goes back, quite a bit, I believe, out back to the 80s for that particular record right there. Wind gusts certainly have backed off a lot. So what we're seeing now is just some residual snow showers across the Sierra, and the intensity is a lot less earlier compared to earlier. Earlier we had about 2 to 4 inches per hour coming down. I'm looking at some of the numbers coming in as well, and the Central Sierra Snow Lab reporting recent snowfall over the last 72 hours approaching 30 inches, just under 30 inches, again over the last 3 days. So you can see the slow going, getting up and over the passes there. The good news is tonight the storm is going to continue pushing east, but what we're going to be left with in the valley is that moisture. We know what that means, right? Fog. So there'll be some morning fog tomorrow. That will give way to a mix of sun and clouds, but the clouds will begin to increase once again ahead of yet the next storm system. Now, tomorrow will be a dry day. It'll be certainly the pick of the weekend compared to today. But as we move into Monday, this is going to be the next one. It's looking at this point, a much weaker storm system, but we'll have a batch of rainfall moving in, likely Monday morning's commute into early afternoon, and then we'll see some rapid improvement once we get to Monday afternoon and then for several days thereafter. So overall temperatures dropping off into the 40s, some upper 30s tonight. And then tomorrow we're generally staying into the 50s there. Lower 50s, upper 40s on Monday with that rain. And then as we get toward the next several days, middle of the week, nice and quiet. By next weekend, heads up watching yet another storm that could bring more rain, more mountain snow for anybody traveling for the holidays.
Nick, thank you so much. We know you'll be tracking it all.